Welcome back to my channel.
Today we are going to learn about 50 daily routine vocabulary words with sentences. Let's get started. Wake up. I wake up early every morning. Brush. I brush my teeth after waking up. Wash. I wash my face before breakfast. Shower. I take a shower every morning. Comb. I comb my hair after a shower. Dress. I dress myself before school. Eat. I eat breakfast with my family. Drink. I drink milk every morning. Pack. I pack my school bag before leaving home. Go. I go to school by bus. Arrive. I arrive at school on time. Study. I study my lessons in school. Read. I read storybooks in class. Write. I write in my notebook during class. Play. I play with my friends during break time. Learn. I learn new things every day. Ask. I ask my teacher questions in class. Answer. I answer questions when the teacher calls on me. Draw. I draw pictures during art class. Sing. I sing songs during music class. Count. I count numbers during math class. Color. I color pictures in my coloring book. Talk. I talk with my friends at lunch. Listen. I listen carefully to the teacher. Run. I run during gym class. Jump. I jump rope at recess. Build. I build blocks in playtime. Rest. I rest when I feel tired. Help. I help my classmates with their homework. Eat lunch. I eat lunch at school every day. Drink water. I drink water to stay hydrated. Play outside. I play outside after school. Ride. I ride my bike in the park. Go home. I go home after school. Take off. I take off my shoes when I get home. Wash hands. I wash my hands before eating. Do homework. I do my homework in the afternoon. Practice. I practice playing the piano. Read books. I read books before bedtime. Help mom. I help my mom with cooking. Watch TV. I watch TV after finishing homework. Tidy up. I tidy up my room before dinner. Talk to my family. I talk to my family at dinner. Set the table. I help set the table for dinner. Eat dinner. I eat dinner with my family. Wash dishes. I help wash dishes after dinner. Play with toys. I play with toys in the evening. Feed my pet. I feed my pet after dinner. Call friends. I call my friends to chat. Draw. I draw pictures in my sketchbook. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more kids learning videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.